Here are the ingredients for the spinach soup. Take 1 bunch of spinach which I have washed. Take 1 small onion which I have finely chopped. 3 garlic cloves which I have chopped. Black pepper powder. 1 green chili. Butter. Salt as per taste. Cornflour. Some fresh cream. I have heated about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once butter melted, then add finely chopped onions. Then fry them for about 2 minutes until the golden brown. Then add finely chopped garlic. Mix it well and fry it. Now onion and garlic became golden brown color. So I am going to add the bunch of spinach now. Then mix it well. Then add 1 chopped green chilies. Then mix it well and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. So friends, don't overcook the spinach. By the way, spinach cooks very fast, so you should not cook too much. So now it's done. So turn up the flame. Let the spinach cool down. Once it is cold, then transfer the spinach to the blend and make fine paste out of it. Now the cooked spinach is cooled down. So I am going to blend them to fine paste out of it. Then transfer this mixture into the pan. So friends, I have made this liquid. I have taken 1 tablespoon of cornflour and half cup of water and mix it. Just cornflour and water mixture, this one. So I am going to add in now spinach soup. Then mix it well. Then add salt as per taste. Then mix it well. Then add half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Now friends, you can see the spinach soup became thick. So I am going to add now the fresh cream and adding little bit water. So mix it well. And allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes this spinach soup on the low flame. So friends, now it's almost 3 minutes. Spinach soup is cooked very well, so it became thick also. So I have added the fresh cream. You have option, you can add milk as well. So yeah, spinach soup is ready now.